Hey guys, Erica with a K here. Another video coming to you looking shameful as per usual nowadays. But today's video is going to be on my most recent Birchbox. I literally have no idea what month this is because they just sent it in the middle of a month. So they sent me this in the middle of February. I'm going to assume it was a February Birchbox, but I don't know. I really don't know. But I'm super excited. So as I always say in my Birchbox videos, that my brother and my sister-in-law got me Birchbox for Christmas. They get me 3 months of Birchbox, which I freaking love because I would never buy it for myself, and it's just cool to be able to like sample products. So I'm very, very excited about it. So this is the last box that I have, and I feel like because it's my last box, they were like giving me super good stuff, which I'm really excited about. Also, they had sent me an email and they were like, hey, what do you want a completely random box, or do you want to pick one of your things? And one of the things that they had a choice of was this MAC Strobe cream. So I was like, you know what? It's a MAC product. A MAC product is freaking expensive, even though I get a huge discount because I'm a makeup artist. But anyway, I was like, I definitely want this. So I'm going to jump around. I'm going to start with this one because I just told the story. So this is the MAC Cosmetics Strobe Cream in Pink Light. So this skincare meets makeup moisturizer perks up tired, dry skin with a luminous sheen. Its vitamin and green tea enriched formula blends both under and over makeup. And the full size retails for $33. I am super duper excited to use this. I don't know, I don't think I would use it over makeup, but I'm really excited about it. Okay, next up, I'm just kind of going random here, is the R&Co Park Avenue Blowout Balm. So it says, add some uptown flair to your hair with this smoothing balm that adds bounce to your blowout while protecting from heat. Massage a dollop into damp hair, then blow dry. So if you guys follow my blog, I had posted about a dry shampoo from R&Co that I love. My dog is barking, I don't know why. So this is the Park Avenue Blowout. So the dry shampoo was R&Co Death Valley. It is the best dry shampoo I've ever used in my life. Again, I have a blog on it that I posted on Valentine's Day, and it kind of like reviews it. So if you guys want to see that, go for it. But I have high hopes for this, mainly because I was so blown away by the dry shampoo. Next up, I'm just going to go for it and do this Beauty Crop Wing Woman Liquid Eyeliner. So this is easy to apply liquid liner, will become your new best friend. Use this budge-proof pen applicator to trace along your lash line to create a more dramatic wing look. So the full size retails for $17.50, and I'm assuming it's going to be like a pen tip, which I'm really excited about. These are literally my favorite eyeliners ever. So once I use it, I will give you guys a full review. But I'm really excited about that. And then probably the most exciting thing is this Bad Gal Bang from Benefit. It is a volumizing mascara. I'm super freaking excited about this because everybody on YouTube has been talking about it, and I got it for free in my Birchbox. So yeah, this says that lashes ready to lift off. This gravity-defying mascara creates major volume without weighing lashes down thanks to the formula's weightless aero particles. So I heard a YouTuber talking about how they did like, it's like some like gravity-defying like stuff that they use on astronauts in space. I don't really know. That's like what they use for this, like, which is cool, but I don't really, my brain can't really grasp stuff like that. So I just heard that this is really good. So the full size retails from $12 to $24, I guess, depending on the size that you get. I'm really, really excited. I don't know if it's going to stand up to my Arrow and Door mascara that I got from a Birchbox last year that I am freaking obsessed with. But it's going to be nice to try out another one and hope that this is a really good one. And then lastly is, well, I guess this isn't lastly. This is Davines, I don't know how to pronounce it, D-A-V-I-N-E-S, and this is the Love Curl Shampoo. It says, your curls and waves will fall in love with this gentle, smoothing shampoo that detangles and defines with the help of almond extract. Massage into damp hair, then rinse. Full size retails for $26. So I am super excited. I have very curly hair. If you guys don't know, naturally I have very curly hair. And so I love trying out new products. I have a lot of clients that ask me like, oh, what's your favorite? And I always feel bad telling somebody my favorite when I don't know if I found that best product yet. So it's really awesome when I get to try out new products. So the cool part about this Birchbox, besides the fact that I got those badass samples, is that they also gave me 2 bonus samples. I don't know if that's because this was my last Birchbox and they want me to pay for more, which was pretty good because I almost jumped on that bandwagon, but you guys know I'm cheap, so I didn't. So they also gave me the Love Curl Mask and the Love Curl Conditioner. So the Love Curl Mask says, infuse your curls and waves with weightless moisture thanks to this formula's nourishing almond extract. Leave on clean hair for 10 to 15 minutes, comb through, then rinse. Thank you, I appreciate that this is actually going to be a mask and not just a conditioner, because that really bothers me. So the full size of the mask is $34, and then the Love Curl Conditioner, full size, is $30, and it says this conditioner is made with vitamins B5 and E, keeps strands soft, shiny, and tangle-free without weighing them down. So that sounds pretty cool. I am going to leave a coupon code below, so if you guys want to sign up for BIRCHBOX, you guys get $5 off. Don't feel obligated to use my code. You guys don't have to get a BIRCHBOX, whatever. Just letting you guys know that is something that I have available to me. So if you guys follow my channel, you guys know that I'm doing the panning project. So these are in my March panning project, which I'm super duper excited about. So I will have like a full review on my blog and maybe even a video on it, depending on how much they wow me, up pretty soon. So you guys will definitely get an update on these. You'll get an update on all these samples if you guys follow my blog, and also if you follow my videos, there will be full on reviews on these. So even though I didn't test anything out today in this video, we'll save that for another day. So thank you guys so much for your love and support. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I post a new video every Tuesday and Thursday. I have a blog on Wednesdays where I do reviews on products like these. And then I also have a blog on Saturdays where I do fashion posts. Much better outfits than what I'm wearing right now. Also on Sundays I have a vlog where I talk about just life and being self-employed. So guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.